In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix oops, looks like something went wrong. Please try again, error code 404 on DStv Stream app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you're trying to log into a DStv Stream or watch a program and you are encountering this error, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. Most likely you are experiencing this because DStv Stream has experienced a glitch. To fix this, first you need to go to your phone and look for settings to troubleshoot your DStv Stream app. From here, go to apps, and under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. Using search, just search for DStv, and here we have our DStv Stream app. And the first thing you want to do is to go to force stop app, and this will stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data and clear cache, and okay, and finally clear all data. And once you are done, now restart your smartphone. And now if you go to your DStv Stream and open it and log in, now everything should be running without any issue. However, at this point, should you still experience a challenge, then you want to check and see that if we have any update for your DStv Stream, either through Google Play Store or App Store. So I'm on Android, I'll go to Google Play Store and activate search, and then just search for DStv Stream like that, and I'll run my search. As you can see, my app is here, and now here check if we have any update your app to the latest version. Now if this does not fix your problem, then you want to check and see that you don't have any VPN on your smartphone. If you're using any VPN or any proxy app, then try turning it off or uninstalling it and see if you will be able to use DStv Stream without any issue. But at this point, if you still can't, then most likely the app may have experienced an internal error. So for that, you may want to try and use DStv Stream web version. Go to any browser using your computer, log in and see if you are able to sign in on your computer. But in case it fails on both, then most likely DStv Stream has experienced internal server that is affecting both the app and the browser platform. For that, you need to wait for some few minutes and now try again. And after some few minutes, everything now should be okay. You should be able to log into your app and watch your favorite programs. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.